Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of all ages. We are back with the second to last video for this Star City Games Gold Collection 1000 Assorted MTG card box opening. Today will be the shorter of probably pretty much all the videos, because this is the last bit of the box, and it's the rares, promos, and foils that they put in there. At first, the box seemed promising. It looked nice. The card art, different types of cards, and then it went south quickly with the horrendous amount of duplication. Like I said, the very last video will be the cut up, the chalk up, and the sorting of what cards came from what goes with what play sets, how many play sets of each card, and what sets these cards are actually originated from. And then I'll give you my ultimate review of that. As it stands right now, if you don't even want to wait for that, this is a 2 out of 5 box, in my opinion right now. And I say that, you're like, well, you looked at the rares, and no, I previewed. I went ahead without turning the camera on to see what was going to be coming up. I did that for the last video because I had a hunch it was just going to be a long, drawn out process of just duplicate cards over and over again, and it was going to be nothing interesting. So I didn't even bother chopping up the handfuls of cards. I just did it in one take, 30 minutes. And it's basically just a duplication video. So, all right, we'll get into this. I'll show you what we have, and then, yeah, I'll give me a day or two to sort the cards out, and we'll see what the totals are as far as the duplication and everything goes. Also, I'd like to see how close we got to 1,000 cards as well. That was another thing. Some people, when they gave the reviews, it was like anywhere from like 956 cards to, I think someone had said they had like 1,023. So there's a lot of variance in that. So first rare, Fateful Showdown. It's just an incident. Disaster Radius. Of course, like I said, this is a $20 box. There's no heavy hitters in here whatsoever. At least to my knowledge. I haven't seen a single review be like, my God, guy left a $40 banger in there. So it's nothing like that. I just was really hoping for some really cool rare card art, some cool card art foils, some common and uncommon foils with some really cool card art. Some Golden Guardian. Dust Stalker. So even these, they're not Terror Stomper. They're not appealing to me, The first, it's no Angel, no Pirate, no vampire type stuff that really draws me in. The art of them themselves is just muddy and washed and really not all that exciting. This is kind of cool. I do like the art. Kind of has that Roman-esque feel to it. So that'd be one that, I'd want to put in a binder. Triad of Fates. Legendary Creature. Human Wizard. Confiscation Coop. Nothing really. Angel of Flight Alabaster. This is nice. Definitely nice. That goes in. Conjured Currency. No big deal. Dragon Style Twins. Sage Lifecrafter. It's got to be my contacts. I hope it's my contacts and not the video, but God, everything just seems blurry right now. It's almost midnight. I'm probably tired. So, Forge Stoker Dragon. I feel like I have a lot of Dragon and Drakes too. I'd like to see what kind of a play set you could put across with that. Victory's Herald. Zombie Wizard. Leech Lord. Captain's Claws. Seem pretty cool. Prison Warden. Legendary Creature. Shrine. Righteous Authority. Spell Twine. Yeah, Spell Twine. Savage Knuckleblade. Ogre Warrior. Graphstone Corrupted. Alright, I think these are promo cards. I can't. Yeah. So, Fortune's Favor. Nice foiling on them. Magister of Worth. You know, the foiling is beautiful on them. I guess if I'm gonna be honest, I'd go ahead and bind all of these. I mean, I love the foil on them, so I guess all those foil promos they'd get put in there. Look really nice. Little sliver from M14. I mean, I got some crap lighting down here, but for the crap lighting, it really accentuates the rainbow foiling in these cards. So you can tell, 22nd of January 2016, I think some kind of promo going on. One of the releases. Font of Fertility. Look at that lake. Look at the rainbowing in that. So that's nice. Okay, look. Yeah, even in the letterbox. That's sick. Angelic Skirmisher. Very cool. Tormented Hero. So we got a Searing Spear. So we got 13 Searing Spears plus the language variation. Now we got the promo of it. Honored Hierarch. So I wonder how many just the common cards in there are the same as the promos. Trumkratus. Oh yeah, this is the Kraken I was thinking of. I thought actually it might have had another one in that first stack too. Firemind's Research. They're gorgeous cards. I love the foiling. Reverse Engineer. This was wasn't this something? I kind of remember Rudy from Alpha Investing saying when a modern Double Masters came out. Not Double Masters. God, what was the big one? I'm blanking on it right now. It was like $400 a box. He's doing openings of it. They had like the $500, $400 box toppers on it. Ultimate Masters, that's it. That's what I was thinking of. I thought this was one of those reprints that was doing really well for the set. Could be wrong though. I'd have to go back and look at his video. Dragon Throne at Tarkir. Angel of Deliverance. Dictate of the Twin Gods. I don't think anything is flippable here. Beastmaster. So, Pillar of Flame. Got the Bird Monk. And then, I think we're out of the foils now. So we're on the... So now we're back on the commons again? Weird. Alright. So out of the weird. So now we have some Walker of the Grove. Yeah, I thought I had all the commons and stuff situated, but I guess not. Whispering Snitch, Boros Locket, yeah, commons. Thaliad, Bloodflies, Glass Asp, Dreg Reaver, Leaping Master, what's behind it? Even Trowel, Skyruin Drake. Yeah, see, I like to put the Drakes and Dragons, excuse me, together and see what that. Yeah, Titanic Growth, Rhyme Tender. It's a pretty sweet looking card. So another Sliver. Something behind it. Undercity Scavenger we've seen, Senate Griffin. And then these are the Mythics. Alright, yeah. I don't know how those commons and stuff got in there. So, put them all in one little dinky sleeve. So, yep. So we got a Zombie Elf, Gerard, Leech Lord, Rampaging Balos. And then we actually have a foil. Nope. The foil rare. Meddler. I don't understand the I guess I don't understand how they broke it up in the box. There's another foil, Gruesome Slaughter. So, alright, so there's 2. And then, alright, so there's 2 of the same Mythics, 4 of the same, hold up. Oh, no. I just put them behind, so I'm sorry. Yeah, I told you it was late and I was tired. Alright, promo. So there was only, I don't know if that's a Mythic or not. That's rare. So maybe like 2 Mythics in here. Promo, rare. So, yeah. Okay. Alright. So, that there. The rest of these commons go back in the box. Alright, so that's, get situated here. Keep it under 15 minutes. So, that's it. That's, out of 1,000 cards, that's the Mythic, Rare, and Promotion and Foil bulk that you get out of roughly 1,000 cards. So just for comparison, we got 1 damage card that we documented with the ink on the bottom left hand side. And for my collecting needs, not really collecting needs, but how I like to collect Magic, that's about all that I would say. I'd go back through again the box once I'm counting and stuff like that and separating. But this is what I would consider binding with the, maybe some of the rares, I don't know. I really didn't like a lot of them, but definitely at least the promotional and the foils. So that and that. And then just so you can get a glimpse of it, this is what I consider like not quite discard worthy. I'd like to go through, rifle through, and build a few decks out of some of the stuff I saw. But I don't know if you can see that all that well. I'll pick up the camera a little bit here. But yeah, that's what you get left with out of 1,000. So, all right, that will be it for me. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, look out for the very last video about the Star City Games box. I'll have all the counts ready for you guys, all the numerics, and I'll give you my final review. But like I said, it's shaping up to be a very, I'd say high 2.5 out of 5. I don't, something like that, like a 2 out of 5. So once it counts in, we'll see. We'll give it the final verdict. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Be kind, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good night.